Today is a good day because I have a package here from Tiefossi and I'm so excited to open it with you guys. So let's just do it. And there is going to be a giveaway in this video, so stick around to the end to see how you can win a free journal. I'm trying to do this in the most aesthetic way possible that also doesn't spoil my address on the internet. Okay, bag down. Now for the box. Are you ready for the moment of truth, the big reveal? Ta-da! Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, starting off strong. Thank you card from Tiefossi. This is super cute. Then there is a mini journal in here. Oh my goodness, I love the concept of a mini journal. Let me see if I can cut the plastic off of here. Look how it literally is like the size of my hand. Like, it's so small. This is an adorable miniature journal. It has a vegan leather cover with gold foiling on the front, super shiny. And then you open this little baby journal and inside it's just miniature dot grid. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is so freaking cute. We have to make a spread with this. Like, we actually have to. But although this is adorable, this is not the number one thing I'm here for. This is beautiful, but the piece de resistance is this absolutely gorgeous bullet journal. Oh my freaking goodness. You can really see my reflection right here. Let me cut the plastic off of this beautiful, beautiful journal. Are you looking at what I'm looking at? Look at this absolutely stunningly gorgeous metallic design on the front cover. It's so dainty. All the lines are so thin but super reflective, and this design is absolutely immaculate. Something about Tifossi's design team recently, they have been popping off with their covers. This is absolutely stunning, like absolutely gorgeous. It is a vegan leather cover, just like the miniature journal, so it's very smooth and soft, but of course it is animal friendly. There's nothing on the side here, but it is a very thick journal, and on this side there is literally blindingly metallic pages. Like, I can see my reflection on these gilded edges. Of course, there's also a pen loop in this journal, and then when I open it up, we have Tifossi's classic opening page with their logo over and over, metallic gold again, and then we have classic numbered dot grid pages, and that's how the rest of the journal goes. There is so many pages in here. This is a thick journal. There is 256 pages in here, so much bigger than your normal bullet journal size. But this is great because if you're one of those people that like to use a bullet journal for a full year rather than 6 months like I usually do, a bigger bullet journal like this is perfect because it will definitely last you that long. Just for a little size comparison, this is how thick this journal is, and then this is my current bullet journal from Notebook Therapy. It has much less than 256 pages, and I love this journal a lot, don't get me wrong, and it also was expanded because I've used it, but when I squeeze this one just to show how it came in the package, you can clearly tell that the one on the left is much thicker. There are so many more pages in the Tiefossi one than there is in a classic bullet journal, which is really cool. I think it's fun to have that amount of variety in pages. It just makes it so much more free to create with because you have so many more pages to work through, and I think it's just so beautiful. Also, I didn't mention it, but there is an elastic enclosure in here. We also have two beautiful turquoise bookmarks that perfectly match the cover of this first journal. I actually have no clue what I want to do with this journal yet. It's absolutely beautiful, too beautiful to like put stuff in it already. I don't know, I'm nervous. It's just gorgeous, but I'm debating maybe saving this for my 2024, or no, 2025. I don't even know what year it is anymore. My 2025 bullet journal. I don't know. Like, it's gorgeous. It would be so fun to use for that. So maybe I just keep it until then, but also I know there are going to be so many other fun designs that Tifossi's coming out with. I'll just put a video here on the screen. They recently have released so many gorgeous, gorgeous covers for bullet journals. Some of them with metallic designs like this one, some of them with more muted designs, some more dainty floral designs of covers. So I haven't found one that I don't like. I really love this, but I'm thinking maybe I save it and maybe I'll like wait until the end of the year to see if there are any other journals that they come out with that I like more that I could use for my 2025 journal. But honestly, like, this is, like I said, stunning. Like, can you take one more look at this? Like, look how gorgeous this is. How can something beat this? I don't know. We'll just have to see. But I do really want to play around with this miniature journal. This is such a cool idea. Look how small it is in comparison to the big one. This is a normal A5 journal. This one, I don't know the name of the size, but it's literally almost half of the size of this journal. It's just so tiny. But I want to experiment making a spread in this journal, so let's go over and try and see if I can do something really fun in this one. Let me bring it down lower so you can actually see what I'm working with here, since we're using a mini journal. I cannot emphasize how freaking adorable this is, that like my journal is literally smaller than my hand. Like, how am I supposed to make make spreads with this, I'm not quite sure, but we're gonna figure it out, okay? So I was thinking about doing a kind of collage spread that fits the aesthetic of the cover page. Okay, this doesn't want to stay open, obviously, because it's a new journal. So I'll have to like hold it open, but I have a lot of washi tapes that I grabbed, and also just some random stickers, and especially like blue ephemera that I want to use to just create some kind of like collage spread here. Maybe make an alternate to October bullet journal theme. If you guys didn't see, I posted my October bullet journal theme last week, but we could make something super cute here. And I'm also thinking that because it's so small, maybe I make a spread that goes over 2 pages, because I think it's just not enough space to put something on this one little section. Just for reference, in case you were wondering, let me use my ruler here. This journal spread is about 5.5 inches tall, which is the width of a normal bullet journal spread, an A5 journal, and it's about 3.5 inches wide, which is so small. But I think like as a whole, we can really do something cool here. And I think just in general, the concept of like mini bullet journaling is so interesting. So I'm thinking that this journal needs to stay flat, please. I have this thing that I can put the word October on. And this is a good combination too between the beige and the blue, because I think this piece specifically like perfectly matches the shade of blue on the cover page, but the gold is also a warmer tone. And I just love the color palette of like beiges and blues, or browns and blues together. So maybe we put that there. If this one is 1, 2, 3 dots from the top, I want to make this 1, 2, 3 dots from the bottom. Also, I love this washi tape here because this is great because it has like all this random writing on it, and it looks like a spell book or some kind of like botanist's journal situation. So this could take up a really big swath over here. I actually really like that, exactly how it's placed, because it like really balances out the spread. So let me just like peel off this little corner, and once again, this wants to keep coming up and I just want it to stay down, so like we're gonna have to do a little finagling here to make this work. It's just because it's a new journal, the spine isn't broken in, and also it's so small there's not enough weight to hold this down, so after a day or two I'm sure it would be totally fine. So I want to line this up with one of the dots on the left, so I think I'll just start maybe 2 dots in and line up the left side. There we go. There's a little ripple right here, but I'll cover that up with stickers. I think I can go ahead and glue this little piece down. I wish I had double-sided tape. Unfortunately, I haven't brought any with me to the dorm, and I didn't buy any, so I need to buy some. Nothing wrong with Elmer's glue or just normal glue sticks, but I just think it sticks so much better with double-sided tape. I guess I'm kind of used to it because I've just been using that for so long. There we go. And the little corners, of course, we can stick down even more with stickers and things like that. So speaking of, let me look through these and see what I'm leaning towards. I love, love, love this little like roses sticker. I want to definitely use that somewhere. Out of these sticker packs, there's not much blue. I mean, this is kind of blue, but it's a little more turquoise, so I wanted to use maybe one of this one. I also love these mythical creatures here. I'm trying to see, there's a lot of like blue and brown in this, and also in like these two up here. I guess I could use one of those. This one also has lots of blue, but it's kind of a darker or more cool toned blue with like the purpley aspects of it. I'm thinking we should really lean into this one with like the cheese and croissant. That looks perfect to balance out the blue here. So I'm just gonna put this one probably here. And then I really like, from this sheet, I really like this one. That's like dangling down. I think that's super, super pretty. I think that this piece right here needs to be put on first before we do that. And I want to do some kind of washi tape situation below that. So maybe we take a pause and come put some washi tape on. This one is a little bit more bluey, like cool tone compared to this warmer greenish tone, but unfortunately it's the closest thing I have as far as washi tape goes. So I'm hoping that we'll just allow the different shades of blue to match and not clash, because there's just so many different things on top of each other and layering. Okay, so I'm going to start by sticking in that one, and then this comes into the crease right here. I'm just going to let it kind of fall naturally and then close it. That way we know that it's perfectly nestled in that little crease, and then that's how you know that when you close the journal and open it, this little section won't be messed up. Same thing with this. So I'd love to like fold this kind of, that way I know exactly what's going to nestle in that section there. And then I can almost glue on like one end and then the other. I'm thinking we need a little bit of contrast though, so I'm going to bring in this white washi tape and just kind of layer it in between this little section right here. I don't know if you can even see it. This thing keeps popping up, like I said, but I want there to be a little bit of break up between all of the mid-tone colors, so adding white will definitely help. Yeah, this is major. And just breaking up that little section right there. And then add this on top. And there we go. This piece of washi tape I realize is a little bit crooked. That's actually kind of annoying, but we can cover that with dots and stickers. My motto today is just we can cover it with a sticker. And it's true, you usually can. So I want to take this big, beautiful sticker. I absolutely love this design. I need to follow this artist on Instagram because this is just super adorable. I kind of want to put it hanging like off the end here, but I want to put something behind it since it is pretty translucent. So I'm thinking maybe we can put this roses sticker behind, cover that bottom corner of the blue piece, and then layer it with this thing dripping down. Oh, that's actually really nice. I like that a lot. Let me think, what else do we have? We have these darker elements to kind of bring out something on this side. Maybe I can use one of this like dragon, or that's the unicorn. This is a dragon. I feel like the unicorn makes more sense in this situation to kind of lay right over these pieces. Hold that down. I was gonna see if I can find something in this washi tape roll. This is like multiple different stamps that are held together by like perforated bits. So if I like pull this apart, you can see there's little gaps in between there where you can rip them apart, but I want to find one that's kind of bluish or something similar. Ooh, this one's actually really perfect. This one, because it has the blue, it also has some yellow to match like the cheese in this image. So maybe I just like put this up here in the corner. I want something brown next to it though. What if I used more of this paper, rip off a little section again, and kind of have this hovering in the, ooh, that's actually a good way to tie in left to right. I like that a lot. So I'm just gonna line this one up in the corner, cover that little section. I really like that. And then I can use this sticker on top of it to add some white contrast and just overlap everything. Next, I think we need something to go up this side. I'm debating to pulling out this washi tape again, but I want to make it a little skinnier. I think this is like too thick. So I'm just going to peel off a piece and then I'm going to take my scissors and almost just like divide it in two. What's great about this one is because it's a grid washi tape, I literally have a line reference. Oh, my hands are shaking. I have a little reference of what I need to cut, so it's much easier than cutting other washi tapes without the grid into. There we go. That's really cool. All right, so just to finish everything up, I want to write October on this piece. Let me pull out my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen and I'll write October right here. Make sure I don't run out of room. October. Add a little swivel over here so it looks more balanced. There we go. I haven't put a 2024 underneath to kind of specify what year. And then with this black pen, I also just want to add little sparkles everywhere because if y'all know me, you know I have to add sparkles everywhere. It just makes the spread so much livelier, in my opinion at least. And there we go, our finished spread for our miniature bullet journal. Lots of blues, lots of beiges, some metallic bits. And when I close the journal, it perfectly matches the cover. This is so much fun, oh my gosh. And I'd be so curious to hear if you guys have ever tried using a miniature bullet journal like this before. Let me know in the comments below. Or if you want more videos making spreads with this, I'd also be super curious, so let me know. I'm so grateful to tiefossi for gifting me both this beautiful big journal and this cute little small one. Oh my gosh, these are both gorgeous vegan leather gold metallic designs. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. Like I said earlier, there is a giveaway in this video, so if you want to win one tiefossi bullet journal for free, I'll have all of the information for the giveaway here on the screen. The giveaway is going to last for 2 weeks. It'll end on the 19th and I will pick the winners on the 20th of October, and there will be 2 winners, so you have an even bigger chance of getting a journal for free. Like I said, all of the information will be here on the screen, and best of luck. If you want to check out tiefossi for yourself, I will have a link in the description box below that you can go check them out. And if you use code MINGO at checkout, you can get an extra 10% off your order. Once again, thank you so much to tiefossi for gifting me these journals and for sponsoring this video. As always, subscribe to my channel because I post a new bullet journaling video every single Saturday. And I will see you guys next week for a new one. Sending you so much love, and I'll see you next Saturday.